Hello everyone, my name is Nida Rifda. My MPM is 19220356. I am from 2019 B3. I will explain about intending intercultural communication. The foregoing barriers to intercultural communication, which are commonplace in today's global workplace, may understandably present a daunting picture. The following steps felt now exhaustive, require time, energy, and commitment. Conduct a personal self-assessment. Assess your own attitude toward other culture and CO cultures because they can influence your communication with these cultures. Consider the setting and context. Setting and context can influence the outcome of our communication in context. Timing, for example, is an important consideration in communication and varies with different cultures. Open communication channels. No one channels can guarantee successful communication as the context, culture, or person varies. We must be flexible or adjust our communication behavior. Practice supportive communication. In this way, we allow ourselves to appreciate others and build tolerance for them. Develop language competencies. Language is the tool or medium of communication. However, language and its meaning vary with cultures and is culture-bound or culture-specific. Encourage feedback. Feedback verifies understanding or shared meaning and can be verbal or non-verbal, as well as international or uninternational. Always strive to ensure that feedback is immediate, honest, specific, and clear. Develop appreciation toward diversity. Diverse populations provide opportunity for learning. We must appreciate the reasons of the different we discover and learn to develop an appreciation for them. Avoid stereotypes. As mentioned previously, stereotypes are broad generalizations or categories that can often be misleading. We must refrain from the tendency to treat others based on this assumption. Avoid ethnocentrism. This may only be true in your setting or context and based on your familiarity. However, this so-called superiority may be challenged when you are exposed to other cultures that can show shortcomings in your own cultures. Develop a sense of universalism. It is important to move from the state of myopia and foster a sense of universalism. Always strive for the common ground that will seek to unite us as a global citizen irrespective of difference in culture, race, ethnic, gender, class, sexual orientation, and physical challenge. Conclusion. It is evident from the foregoing discussion that we are still not any closer in meeting halls, child which he posed nearly 2 decades ago. Men must now embark on the difficult journey beyond culture, because the greatest separation fit of all is when one manages to gradually free oneself from the grip of unconscious culture. Some of the questions arising from the discussion are: in what way has the notion of intercultural communication moved away from an us, dominant culture, and then paradigm? What measures have been implemented to monitor a fair and respectful workplace, and how have these measures created a harmonious diversity? It is hoped that the information provided in this chapter will help provide answers to this question. As one reflects on them, one can think about how to hone one's own intercultural communication competencies to help improve harmony and enhance productivity in the workplace.